Hey guys, welcome back. And today, it's gonna be a little short one. I'm just gonna be painting up the buggy. Didn't want to leave you guys without stuff for a very long time because I know I'm probably not gonna be getting to this project very often due to budget. There's only so much I can do before I need to just pause and save up money before I continue work on this, because if this donor bike, the Yamaha BigBear, if I can't get spark to it, then I'm gonna have to look for a new solution. And that solution might be a Predator engine, and putting a Predator engine in here would require redoing the rear end, because there's plenty of room in here to fit a Predator engine. It's just getting a clutch and rebuilding, just completely scrapping the diff and putting a spool for a chain drive and going from there. If I need to do that, I doubt the axles on here will be able to, link up easily. So there is a chance that we might put Miata axles on, because apparently on Amazon you can just buy a pair of Miata axles for like $150, which is not a bad deal. And I'm pretty sure we might be able to reuse the hubs and everything on the end. So it's just a matter of figuring that out, but we still have that to work on, and we'll figure it out from there. Like I said, I'm gonna continue just getting a coat of paint on. We're choosing this blue metallic color for the entire frame, and then the A-arms and stuff will be in like a high performance black enamel paint. So we'll have pitch black suspension, metallic blue on the cage and frame. Let's get to painting. All right, so here's with one coat of paint, tons of empty spots. I'm gonna have to go buy a lot more paint. But I think the blue is going to look really good once it's got a couple coats and then a clear coat over top. Yeah, the blue is definitely gonna look real good. I'm excited for it. All right, short little update for you guys. So hope you enjoyed. Like I said in one of the other videos, if you have any other ideas, thoughts, suggestions, anything for this project, please drop a comment, send me a message. I don't know, send me a message. YouTube? I don't know if you can do that. Just shoot a comment down below. I read every single thing. It's compulsive. I have to read everything. I have to like every comment. So just, yeah. And if you might also be interested in like gaming content, I also will have a link to my gaming channel in the link below. That's kind of my prime channel, my main channel, even though I don't really post on that too much because I'm bouncing back and forth between this project and that right now. And it's been like 4 months since I posted anything on that channel, but I'm probably going to get back to it at some point. So yeah, like I said, any thoughts, suggestions, comments, drop them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to, follow the progress on this build. Peace.